everybody, welcome to my channel. I got my Walmart beauty box. Now last month it was kind of last season it was kind of disappointing, but you know what, I still like to get it. It's $5, you know, $5 is really nothing. They say the box is free and all you do is pay for $5 for shipping, but we're just gonna say it's $5. So basically Walmart is, you just go to walmartbeauty.com and you guys can sign up right through there. You just pay $5 and they give you 4 boxes a year. Every season is what they do. And then you guys can cancel anytime. I have canceled in the past and then I brought it back up again. But here, let's see what we got inside today's box. So I don't know if this is the winter box or anything. They don't really specify what it is, but anyways, this is, okay, so I'm assuming this is the winter one because it says the weather outside might be frightful, but our selection of super hydrating skincare or more is so delightful. So I have a feeling these are it. Now they do have a bunch of items in here that I don't have in this box. So this is pretty much, it looks like this is all the stuff that comes in the box and it's just random for every person. So maybe that's kind of a good thing. But the first item I have is the Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. I've never tried this before. I don't know. I think I've had a sample of it a couple times, but I have never tried this. Let me know if you guys ever use that. But it's worth trying. I got some candy for once. It is called Guilt-Free Chocolatey Vitamins. So it looks like it's a chocolate. Megabyte combines rich caramel roasted peanuts, a fluffy center, and all delicious chocolatey vitamin bites. I think this is just like there's different ones. So what one, I don't know what one I got, but there's Hers, Energy, Multi, and Calcium. And there is 60 per bottle. So it looks like they gave me all 4 samples. So here we got the Hers, we got the Energy, we got the Calcium, and then we got the Multi. I'm not going to try these because I already took a multivitamin for the day, but these are kind of interesting. You know, kind of get your craving going, but then you don't even know. But yeah, it just basically kind of just looks like a Snickers bar according to like the photo, but only 25 calories and just 3 grams of sugar. No artificial colors or flavors, and it's gluten-free. So something cool. I see a shampoo and conditioner, the L'Oreal. I love these because these are perfect for when I travel. These are perfect travel bottles. So this is the L'Oreal Ever Pure. This is the shampoo and then the conditioner. Usually these are like $2, $1 to $2 a piece if you guys get these small little bottles. But I love these bottles because these are perfect when I travel. So I got those 2 items. I got 2 items left to go. It looks like I got a full size of Milani Highly Rutted. I don't know what it says. Rated, sorry. But this looks like either a lipstick or a mascara. Probably a mascara. So we got a nice cool little mascara. Now I bet you this is not a full size. It looks like it might be, but it might be just shy of a full size. But you know what? I'll take it. I love mascara. So we got Milani. I've never tried Milani makeup before. So a light little sample. And that is actually, this is 0.16 fluid ounces. So it's just a little thing. And then the next item I got is the Cetaphil. This is the Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. It's for your face, dry, dehydrated skin. So we got just a little baby sample of that one. So that was everything that I got for $5. I think it's actually worth it. I think this box is worth $5. I mean, number one, you get a decent size of the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, which is perfect for traveling. You get a tiny little thing that you guys can travel with for this. Like, this is the stuff I like to travel with. And then you get like a good size, you know, mascara to take with you. And then that little vitamin thing, that's 4 days of vitamins for you guys to take, which is kind of a good thing. So yes, that is my Walmart beauty box that I wanted to share with you guys. Now keep in mind, everybody gets different things. I'm just excited to see what everybody else can get. Like they got Carousel Intense Foot Repair. That would be something that's cool, good to try. Hard Candy Sheer Envy Setting Spray, Earth to Skin Hand Sanitizer Gel. There's a Lola Organic Cotton Tampon with Plastic Applicator, Neutrogena Stubborn Acne Treatment. We have, oh, they say the prices on here. So the vitamins would be $11.96 for a 60-day supply. There's number 7 retinol, and then there's the Hanu Derma Fix, And then there is a Vital Protein Strawberry Lemon Beauty Collagen. So there's some pretty good items. It does say that mascara is full size and it ranges from $8.97. So it looks a little bit small to me, but that is it. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. Sorry you had to look at my cat's butt, but I will see you guys probably this spring for another Walmart beauty unboxing. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.